From CNBC, the Davos elite see a major risk ahead for markets with looming U.S. debt standoff. The finance and tech CEOs are gathering at the World Economic Forum this week, and they expressed measured optimism about the economy in 2023. But at least one major risk looms for the markets, they said. The resilient U.S. economy, a mild European winter, and China's reopening have given investors and forecasters hope that a severe recession can be avoided. The U.S. economy has slowed since the Federal Reserve began raising interest rates last year, sowing fears that a recession was unavoidable. In the early weeks of 2023, investors have begun to hope that moderating inflation and strong employment figures could result in a so-called soft landing. But budding optimism at the annual meeting of billionaires, heads of state, and business leaders in the Swiss Alps collided with a fresh threat on top of existing concerns, including the Ukraine war and global climate change. The world's largest economy risks defaulting on its debt for the first time in modern history this summer as politicians wrangle over raising the country's debt limit, currently capped at $31.4 trillion. The United States is expected to reach its debt limit Thursday. The Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said last week that after that, the Treasury will find ways to fund their debt obligations until at least early June. That sets up a standoff in Congress in the weeks ahead. Republicans and Democrats will engage in brinksmanship over political goals. The last time a potential default risk surfaced was back in 2011 when lawmakers averted a disaster after markets convulsed and the U.S. had its credit rating downgraded. And as always, if you guys want to read the rest of this article, I'll put a link in the description below. I highly recommend you do so. And let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.